Good morning students, welcome to maths class. Previous class, so we have discussed about algebraic expressions and its definition, like terms, unlike terms and some examples. Today the next topic, polynomials. What is it? Polynomials. ಬಹುಪದೋಕ್ತಿಗಳು. ಬಹುಪದೋಕ್ತಿಗಳು. Polynomials are mainly classified into three types. First one, monomial. Monomial. Second one, binomial. Monomial, binomial, and third one, trinomial. Trinomial. For Kannada medium students, ekapada, dvipada, त्रिपद. एकपद, द्विपद, and trinomial is what? Tripada. Okay, we'll discuss one by one what is mean by monomial, binomial and trinomial. First one, monomial. Definition: an expression having only one term called as monomial. Nodi, an expressions having only one terms called as monomial. Monomial. Only one term. Only one term. You know terms. So previous class I have discussed about the terms and types of the terms. You know, one term, two terms, three terms, like this. Example. First one, 4x is a what? One term. Example 2, minus 3xy. Again we have a single term. Third one, minus 4 by 5 x into y into z. Clear? 4x. Second, minus 3xy minus 4 by 5 xyz. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದರೆ ಹಿಂಗೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ y² ಬರಿಬೋದು, x³ ಬರಿಬೋದು. multiple of that result or a divisible of that result, we can say monomial. Now, mono means what? Mono is nothing but single. Meal, M-I-A-L-S. Meals means what? Terms. Monomial is nothing but what? Only one terms. Single means one. Clear? Okay. Next, second one, binomial. Binomials. ದ್ವಿಪದ. ದ್ವಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಬೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟೂ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? An expression having only two terms called as binomial. Binomials. Bi means two. Meals. Already you know. Meals means what? Terms. Two terms. Example. First one. Example. Simply I write here x plus y. X is one term and y is also what? One term. Combining means ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದೇನು ಶೋ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಮಗೆ? ಬೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟೂ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೈನೋಮಿಯಲ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, 3/y plus x/z. 3/y plus x/z. 3/y is a one term. x/z is what? Second term. Clear? Last example. Minus 3x plus y. Or simply we can write y/2 also. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 3/9 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ 3/19 ಬರೀರಿ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಬರೀರಿ. ಹೌದಾ? Minus 3x/19 is one term. y/2 is what? Another term. Example of binomials. Is it clear? Okay. Then what about trinomial here? Can you say the definition of the trinomial? Tri means what? Three. And expressions having only three terms called as trinomial. Okay, we'll see definition of trinomial. Tri means three. Okay, and expressions having only three terms, only three terms called as trinomial. Trinomial. Tri means what? 3. Triangle. Tri means 3. Angle means space. And ಓದಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಟೈಪ್. Tri means 3. Meals means what? Term. So 3 terms ಅದಾವಲ್ರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀರಿ? ಟ್ರೈನೋಮಿಯಲ್ಸ್. 3 ಪದೋಕ್ತಿ ಅಥವಾ 3 ಪದ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ಝೆಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ಲಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಝೆಡ್. This is what? Trinomial. Second example, L minus M plus 2N. L minus M plus 2N is an example of trinomial. Then third one, 3/4 x minus 1/3 into y plus z. 3/4 into x is one term, 1/3 y second term, and z is third terms. Are example of trinomial. Okay, next, what is meant by polynomial? ಓಕೆ, ಅದೊಂದು ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು ನೋಡಿ. ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಕಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀರಿ? ಬಹುಪದೋಕ್ತಿ. ಬಹು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೋರ್, ಹೌದಾ? ಆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್. Okay, let's see the definition. Polynomial. ಬಹುಪದೋಕ್ತಿ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. An expression having one or more terms called as polynomial. Polynomials, ಹೌದಾ? Poly means what? More. Meals means what? Terms, which are called as polynomial. ಸೊ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು ಆ್ಯನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಒನ್ ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೋನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ, ಹೌದಾ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಸೇ ಮೋನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಲಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್? ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಒನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಏನಿದೆ ನಿಮಗಲ್ಲಿ? ಮೋನೋಮಿಯಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಮೋನೋ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್, ಬೈ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 2, tri means 3. Definitely we can say mono, bi and trinomials are polynomials. Example of the polynomials, we can write any example. ಯಾವುದು ಬರಿಬೋದು ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 1 ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು? 4x ಬರಿತೀನಿ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಸೇ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಲಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್? 100% ಕರಿಬೋದು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ 1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತ ನಾನು. 1 ಆರ್ ಮೋರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್, 1 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ರೀ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಲಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್. ದೆನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ 4x minus 4y plus z. Yes, you can write any one. X by y plus z plus 3x. Then fourth one, x minus y. So those are all example of polynomials. Okay? So once again, ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ recall ಮಾಡೋಣ. Polynomials are classified into three types. The first one is monomial. Mono means single. Mials means terms. An expression having only one term called as monomial. What is meant by binomial? An expression having only two terms called as binomial. You know the example, x plus y or 3x minus 4y, whatever it is. Then third one, trinomial, an expression having only three terms. Only three terms called as trinomial. Then lastly, polynomial, an expression having one or more terms. So we can call it as polynomial. Are very, very important. So students, so regularly watch our channel, like, share it and subscribe it. Thank you once again.